Hey everybody, I just wanted to post a quick video about the differences between plaster, button board, half-inch, and 5/8 drywall. I'm doing some remodeling. Well, not just me, but we are having some remodeling done on our house, and you can see the difference between the half-inch and the 5/8 drywall. I am basically, so my house was built in the mid-1950s, and basically it's constructed of concrete block wall and plaster, and that is it. At least for the exterior walls. Interior walls, you got studs, button board, and plaster. So on the exterior walls, I'm actually furring that out. I already have furred it out and insulated it with rigid foam insulation like this. And then drywalled with 5/8 fire codex drywall. And the 5/8 drywall is actually impregnated with fiberglass. Sometimes you can actually see the fiberglass. But that's supposed to help with strength and sound suppression. I don't know, probably helps with fire, I don't know. But I wanted to show the difference here with this and plaster. So that is plaster, and that alone is roughly 5/8 plaster, roughly, on roughly 3/8 button board, which is basically like sheetrock, but not meant to be the finished product. It has holes in it for the plaster to key through. So this is kind of like what they used between lath and plaster and straight up drywall. So you can see it looks a lot like regular plaster or regular drywall, except for it's got the holes in it for the plaster to key through, and you have a good 5/8 of plaster on that. And I would say actually this big piece of drywall here, it's about 6 by 16, is about as heavy as this 5 by 5 chunk of plaster. So this is really dense, heavy stuff, and this is pretty lightweight. So there you have it. Just thought I'd share that, because there's really not a lot of videos online about the differences between all of these. So my preference, I'm really no expert, but my preference is the thicker drywall, because why not? The cost is negligible, the cost difference, and you get some more strength. I'm actually getting it for the strength. I just want something closer to what I'm used to. I grew up with plaster walls, so that's kind of where I'm at on that. So anyway, thanks for watching.